Hi all, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So today's recipe is grilled pomfret. So this came out really well. So let's check out the recipe. First take 3 teaspoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, chili powder 2 teaspoon. Add more chili powder if required, cumin powder 1 tsp, mustard oil 2 tablespoon, lemon juice 3 teaspoon, salt as per your taste, besan or gram flour 1 tsp for the binding. Mix everything well. Mustard oil will give a very nice taste to the pomfret, and besan we need it to the marinade to stick in the pomfret. So mix everything well. Now give some gases in a pomfret. I have taken a big pomfret of 400 gram. Give the cuts in the middle as well as on the sides so that the masala can goes inside the fish. Because it's a big fish, so we need to have the cuts so that the masala will go inside properly and it will taste good. So if you want, you can get the cuts from the shop itself. So now I am applying all the masalas. Apply it well, inside also apply it. Inside also we need to apply so that masala will go inside it. Add more chili powder if you want, add colors if you required. I didn't have added any color here, so if you want you can add that too. Keep the oven preheated for 10 minutes. Marinate it for 1 hour, then preheat the oven at 380 degree Fahrenheit or equivalent temperature in microwave in centigrade, and bake each side for 10 minutes at 380 degree Fahrenheit. So this baking will give like a nice boiled for the fish, so that we don't need to worry about inside of fish cooking. Now again bake it for another 10 minutes on the other side. Now all the baking is done, so I'll be removing it from the baking, and then I will be putting it in the tawa and frying it for some time. Heat mustard oil 2 teaspoon. Now place the fish. Fry it in each side for 3 minutes in high flame. Make sure the flame is high. Add the leftover masalas. Flip it and cook on the other side again at high flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. Gently press it so that it will get cooked on the sides as well. Now again flip it. Again give it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip for the last time and switch off the flame. Now it's done. Now I'll be adding the lemon juice on the top from each sides. And some chaat masala now. So flip it and again add the lemon juice, because flipping on a plate will be difficult. So I am flipping on tawa itself and adding the lemon juice and the chaat masala. And our delicious pomfret fry is ready to serve. So do try the recipe and let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching.